Hello everybody, my name is China. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back to y'all with a brand new video today. Okay.
Young, wild, thick and proud. She don't really need no man, but she keep a few, one or two. Long as he throwing them bands and I pity the fool. You calling her boo, she ain't gonna be holding your hand. Heard it's a party off campus, gather the crew. Everybody finna get cute, now she gone.
So today's video is clearly all about this hair that I have on my head right now. This is a super short wig. I've never ever had hair this short in my life, so this is definitely different. This hair is from DYHAIR777. This wig was only about $40, I believe. So yeah, if you're interested in how I got the wig to look like this, then just stay tuned. But before we get into it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, smack the out of your screen right where the subscribe button is, where the like button is, where the comment section is, where the share button is, where the description box is, so that way you can smack the links to all of my social media accounts and give me a follow. Now let's get into it. Okay y'all, I promise my makeup matches. It's just the light is super bright on my face, so it's bright on my face and not on my neck, so it's making my neck look black, but it matched. Close enough, bitch. So this is a wig from DYHAIR777. They sent me this wig and it also comes inside of a black drawstring bag. And y'all, when I tell y'all, I was shocked when I pulled this out the packaging, because look. Y'all, this wig is so short. Never in my life have I had a wig this short. So it has lace around the perimeter.
Barely.
A little bit of lace, not much though. But then the parting is literally only this right here. The wig has two combs in the front and then a comb in the back, and also the adjustable straps. I've never in my life tried hair this short. I'm gonna just try this wig on real quick because bitch is curious. What? Say you. Are you dumb? Y'all, this is human hair, by the way. Allegedly. What? Y'all? Are you serious? Come on. Come on. What the fuck? Are you serious? What the fuck am I about to do with this? Y'all, I feel like a damn doofus. Okay, I'm about to see what I can do with this. So first thing first, I'm gonna cut off the lace to this wig, and I'm also gonna pluck the part. So let me take this off for y'all don't take me seriously. I'd rather be bald, bitch. So yeah, while I'm customizing this wig, I am going to use this mannequin head that I was sent by Jink for Hair. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box, but here it is. Y'all been wanting one of these for so long. It's just one of those blockhead things. And then it has this, so you can attach it to anything in the room, and then you can twist this up if you want to tighten it, or this way if you want it to come down and be wider, so you can hook it on to something bigger. Of course, you put your wig on it. You can make a wig. You can, bitch, you can do anything. Leave me alone. So also in this package they included a comb, a brush, like a tangle teaser brush, some clips for like when you're styling your wig and you need to clip it out the way. They also put some T-pins in there, which is super helpful for if you're like making a wig or something like that. And they also put some hair shears in here, y'all, so that's super helpful. And this blockhead is about to be super helpful as I pluck the part of this wig. So yeah, I'm gonna pluck the part and cut off the lace, and then I'll come back with the wig on my head again. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and looking dumber than ever. So I'm gonna spray some water on this hair, see what happens, if anything. I feel like Michael Jackson in the "You Are Not Alone" video. What shape is this, first of all? Like, what? Okay, y'all, so this is basically the finished look. This is like all I could come up with. Overall, the hair is, I can say it does feel like good quality to me. And also with me wetting it and scrunching it, the curl pattern is cute. It's actually, I don't know, it's not that bad, but I'm just really not used to hair this short. I've never in my life had hair that was this short. The back, I would need the back to just stay down a little bit more. Maybe I would take more mousse or some gel or something like that to lay it down flat. It's not as bad as I originally thought it was going to be. When I first tried it on, I looked like a damn clown, like Ronald McDonald or something like that, or it. If you are a short hair type of person, then I'm sure this would probably be for you. I just really feel like Michael Jackson. So if you enjoyed this wig, it is only about $40. If you enjoyed it, I'm going to leave the link to this wig down in the description box for y'all. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, smack the out of your screen right where that subscribe button is, and you might as well hit the notification bell, because you already know I'm gonna be right back at it like a crack addict. But before we go, be sure to check the description box below, because all of my social media accounts will be linked down there for y'all, so you know you can give me a follow. Adios.